Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's episode we are going to discuss about Dogecoin, because in the previous video I told you that the bottom for the Dogecoin may be in, and today we already have some news on the chart, of course. So I think you're going to like over here what I'm going to show you. That's why you need to hit that like and also subscribe button. And now let's begin. So before we start this analysis, make sure to check out this video about Dogecoin. We gave a lot of clues about the Doge bottom. Of course, this may be also incorrect, but so far the movement on the chart is going into the bullish direction, into the bull's hands, let's say like that. So here we are on the weekly chart. The weekly chart we need to mention because we have bullish pattern over here, bullish reversal pattern, ladies and gentlemen. Bullish reversal pattern over here is actually this hammer. You can see the hammer formation. This is one candlestick pattern for reversal, single candlestick pattern for reversal, and you can see a long wick. And usually in order to be correct, you need to see two rules fulfilled over here. Very short wick, well, we have that. Then we have the long wick, and the body needs to be small to be placed at least 2 times into this wick over here. And as you can see, the wick is long at least twice as the body over here. Now the second rule over here, we need to have the next candle. Actually, we have 2 bullish patterns over here, 2 bullish reversal patterns. Now the second pattern over here is engulfing pattern, and usually for engulfing pattern to happen, you need to have something like this. So you have to have red body, then you have the small body as the single pattern, for example, over here, and then you have the big engulfing pattern, which is green, and closing on some levels above this over here, open of this candle. So we are having the engulfing pattern, and we are having one single pattern of the reversal. The MACD over here trying to actually convert to the bullish side, and this histogram is trying to convert to the bullish side as well. So make sure to observe that. And also on the RSI, it seems like we reached the oversold zone. You can see apparently over here, and it was 28.5, and that's why we had some bounce. Now in order to continue for that bounce, we need to go to the daily chart. Daily chart is very interesting as well, because you can see over here that we have some sort of a double bottom formation. And also I told you that the first wave in the Elliott theory already started on the daily chart on the Dogecoin, and I told you that the Dogecoin needs to go most probably into the second wave, corrective wave. And as you can see, it seems like we saw that already today. And lucky by us, it seems like that the Dogecoin are already bounced from that level, retested this close over here and bounced from it so far. So we are still bouncing. We need to close this in 3.5 hours, but however, it does look good. Now, how do we know that we actually are into the second wave? Well, you can see over here that we retraced on pretty much 40% almost of this rally, which is fulfilling our rule for the second wave. And also what you can do, you can actually go to the 4-hourly chart over here, and also you can see that we have the A, B, and the C correction. Now what is the next step for the Dogecoin? Well, first we need to discuss about the indicators. You can see that the indicator on the 4-hourly chart is crossing into the bullish zone, and MACD is also going to cross to the bullish side as well, which is going to give us probably boost after this V-shaped formation on the 4-hourly chart. And on the daily chart, you need to see that we are still bullish, so the price is still hovering above some important levels. Now, what is the rules that Dogecoin should not break over here? Well, the first thing, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the price must not go below this blue line over here. So that's the bottom for the Dogecoin. That's the support that the Dogecoin needs to defend in order to stay bullish still. The next bullish thing that the Dogecoin needs to do is it needs to break over here this level. We need to break these wicks over here, open and closes, even maybe this cluster of candles, as you can see, in order to see bullishness, because that's the next high over here that we made, and we went into the second wave, ladies and gentlemen. So that's something to definitely consider, because right now we are above 20 exponential daily moving average, and that's good. If we find level of support until the end of this day, until this candle closes, then we may see further push to the upside. Now, if you ask me for some legit target over here for the Dogecoin in the next period, if we manage to break the 8 cents over here, approximately 7 to 8 cents, well, I think that the Dogecoin, the next station will be 14 cents. So the next target for the Dogecoin, if you ask me, is actually the 14 cents, and that's something that I would expect, and I will probably start buying already soon for this trade, because I do have some confirmation. Of course, stop losses needs to be set in order that the analysis wasn't great, especially if the Bitcoin and S&P and everything traditional market starts diving. Well, you know that the crypto is going to follow, probably Dogecoin, altcoin especially, and they're even going to have bigger drawdowns. But so far I like what I see over here on the chart, and if we break 7 to 8 cents, well, we're gonna do new video and I'm going to let you know what could potentially happen and how are we going to end up to the 14 cents. I think this is it for this episode and update, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about the Dogecoin? Hit that like, subscribe button, and until the next update, happy trading and goodbye.